Hello, the video starts now. First you have to open your Google web page. Then you have to search SKL Electronics. The search result will be opened on the web page. You can call us directly from this page. You can directly get direction from this page. You can save our web page on your Google search engine. You can directly visit our website here, or you can see the updates which we updates on daily basis, like every item which we are selling, every precaution which we are doing, every opening time, closing time, every updates we are updating here online. You can see the product list. You can give us reviews here, what good things we have done, what good you you have, means to say, you have given, and everything. You can search our photos here, our shop pictures here. You can see latest by owner and everything. You can see about us, what items we sells, what item we don't sell, everything you can see here. Likewise, click on overview, go to our website. The website is open now. You can get quote from here, you can get call from here, you can get direction from our website. Simply you have to click on get quote. Simply you have to fill your name. Simply you have to put your phone number here. Simply you have to place your email address. And you can search whatever item you wanted. Like for example, I'm searching here Arduino Uno 10 pieces need. Kindly quote me the rate. Thank you. Likewise, I have shown you for example here. Firstly, you have to put your name here. Firstly, you have to put your phone number, email ID, and whatever item you needed, put in the message box here. And click on submit. You will get the quote as soon as possible. And now I will show you how to view the PDF file of our product which is listed on online. Here you can see we have posted on 1st August 2020. Now you have to click on this link. You have to see the product list here. Like this is shown here, 31 pages list. All the items are mentioned here. You can see it. You can visit our website for further more information. All the items are quoted here. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. We have uploaded 3 PDF files. You can watch it online. This PDF file is for drone items. Here is drone frames, drone variety of items we sell. All the items here are in the PDF. You can see this, and you can see the third PDF file here. As likely we are selling all the goods here online. You can watch it, or you can download this PDF file via online. Thank you. Best regards, SKL Electronics, Bakarganj Kola Road, near Gandhi Maidan, Bihar, Patna. Thank you so much.